Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to view and understand your Mailchimp email campaign report. This is essential for tracking your email performance, seeing who opened your messages, and understanding what's working in your marketing strategy. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. This will take you to the Mailchimp homepage where you'll need to access your account. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your username and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the account where your campaigns are stored, as this will ensure you're viewing the correct data. After logging in, you'll land on your Mailchimp dashboard. Now direct your attention to the left sidebar menu where you'll see various options for managing your account. Locate and click on Campaigns. This section houses all your email campaigns, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. It's your central hub for everything related to your campaign activity. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on View Analytics. This is a key step because it redirects you to the Analytics page, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're on this page, you'll see several options available. From these options, select Reports. The Reports section gives you a comprehensive breakdown of how your campaigns are performing, including open rates, click rates, and subscriber engagement. From here, you have the ability to view your campaigns organized by status. You can filter between ongoing campaigns and completed ones. This is particularly helpful if you're running multiple campaigns simultaneously and want to keep track of what's currently active versus what's already finished. It allows you to stay organized and focus on the metrics that matter most at any given time. Additionally, you can adjust the view type to suit your specific needs. Mailchimp offers various content types, so you're not limited to just emails. You can switch the view to display analytics for SMS campaigns, automations, landing pages, ads, social posts, and even surveys. This flexibility means you can monitor all your marketing efforts from one centralized location, making it easier to compare performance across different channels and understand your overall marketing impact. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to your Mailchimp campaign reports and now have the tools to analyze your email performance effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.